ARITWA University cha mwingi ni boritwe kwejana maoni jao kiri kamiti ira yathurirwo ni RAIS kujukia maoni iguru ria mutaratara jumweru jomareija Bici akiaria kiri mambura ja kenda ja University ya Machakos ya ARITWA gwikirwa thumbi mwandiki kiri rwangirwo mathomo ja iguru na uthuthuria Dr. Bici INYANGALA uria gukarikanya ka minister wa kithomo ugite tukunite kuraja kamiti je kambiriria gwika ikaro bya mwingi kenda kujukia maoni na ARITWA na andi babatere kwejana maoni jao.
In this financial year, the resources increased from the previous 45 billion to 82 billion, which was almost doubling the budget for the State Department and just demonstrating how much the government is committed to supporting universities to provide quality education. Of course, there is the issue of the new funding model, which many of you have expressed some concerns, and you are aware that our President, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, appointed a national committee. And this committee is reviewing the model so that it serves you. It meets families and students at their level of need. Because the aim really is to open access for all students, irrespective of their socio-economic backgrounds, to any program, irrespective of its choice. We shall be moving around to collect your views. Please feel free to attend the town halls and share your views so that you can help us to serve you better.